So I've been working on this little project for the past few weeks, trying to build an all-in-one kind of rig for all my gear. Limited time, so I want to be able to come home and just sit down and turn it on and play. So it's all built, it's custom Gibraltar and other hardware racked together, and I'll show you in a second. But left to right, we got Roland digital drum gear, KT-10 kick, nice and quiet down there, PDX-8 snare pad, dual zone. Just got this CY-8 cymbal. It's like a rider crash, but I'm using it as a hi-hat, and it actually sounds pretty good. And it came with a bunch of great hardware for really cheap, so I'm gonna try this out until it breaks. And the brains is a Roland Octapad, so you get 8 pads, bunch of drum sounds. Sounds really good. And this is all running both MIDI into Ableton, but also running the master out into this Behringer Uphoria as the USB interface. Also got boom arm with a mic. And so like this side this is a stationary leg that is an extending telescoping upright, so it's 20 inches, and then it can scale up to 36, I think, in the end. But all the hardware for the drums is basically mounted like right here, and then there's this crossbar as part of this Gibraltar rack to the main station, which is on casters, and it has 30-inch deep feet, and the uprights are the same 20-inch with the extension arms, which is pretty neat. So the whole thing can raise and lower up like 16 inches if I wanted to, or lower a bit more actually. There's still some clearance. And then there's two 20-inch arms coming off for the keyboard, and the upper rack is another 46-inch curved Gibraltar Road Rack series bar. It's mounted kind of flush to the top. You can also put in a piece here that is a cymbal mount clamp that would slide right inside, so if you want to mount even more cymbals or more light pads, you can do it right off the top bars. But I got this Uphoria 404 from Behringer because it's cheap and it has what I need, and all the knobs and stuff are right there, which is cool. I got these truck LED aluminum mounting pieces, and I was originally going to try to just bolt it right into the case, but actually I just got some Velcro command strips that lock in pretty good, so I can pull it off if I need to, or take it and pack it away. And I also did the same and mounted, there's like a Newmark power center down here. That's all running all the USB into that, so that's why the cables are kind of a mess right now. And at the top, 2 of these sets of Gibraltar electronic mounts. You can kind of position any way you want them to. So this one for the laptop, and this one for the Ableton Push 2. Running some Bluetooth peripherals for now because it's just easier than reaching over there every time. But since I'm sitting in front of a TV, I ran live right up in that, so got dual screen. And Line6 guitar amp under that. It's also USB. Haven't used too much of this one yet, but just starting to build it out, so I'm sure I'll add more to this over time. Pretty fun.